The next morning, Benny woke to rain tapping on his window. Oh, no! No park today! But then he remembered something. I can visit my friends at their homes. He put on his yellow raincoat and boots. First stop, Luna's burrow. Luna was painting pictures. Look, Benny, I'm painting our park day. They added rainbow colors together. Next, Benny splashed to Milo's treehouse. Milo was building a tower with blocks. Help me make it taller. Oops! The tower fell, but they laughed and built it again, even higher. Finally, Benny visited Mrs. Duck at the pond. The rain made ripples everywhere. Mrs. Duck taught Benny to catch raindrops on his tongue. As they played, something magical happened. The clouds parted, and a huge rainbow appeared. All the friends ran outside together. It's beautiful, they cheered. Benny realized rainy days could be just as special as sunny ones. That night, Benny drew his own rainbow picture and smiled. Every day is an adventure with friends.